Okay, we replaced the license plate for Toyota Sienna from 2004 to 2010 for the license plate light bulb. We will show you how to replace the light bulb on the license plate. It's not easy like the other type of car from outside. This Toyota Sienna will replace from inside. We have removed all the panel from the back of the rear door. I will show you how. Okay. First of all, we have this guy is sliding to the top, remove to the top and take it up. And then we need the tool and two light bulb and dielectric grease. And then we're using Phillips screwdriver, remove the handle. And then we remove the top panel by hand. And then we move the right side panel. And then we move the left side panel. And then we take off from the big panel here. And then be careful to, when we remove, be careful these two hook right here. It's easy to break when you pry it out. Just sliding back to the top. Rule of the thumb, we turn the socket to the left. And we remove them out and we take up the burning light bulb. And then we put dielectric grease to the light bulb, the new light bulb, to prevent corrosion. So when we replace one, we recommend replace two at the same time because it's same make. So we put remove the socket, put the direct electric grease on there, and we also plug back in here, and we go turn on and test it. So now we test it and make sure it's both working. We replace two new light bulb. So now it's working and we put back all the parts together. We put back, slide this one back to the hole first. Two clip there. Okay, so we put it back together. Just tap with the hand. Okay. And we'll put back the panel here. And put back this panel on this side. And we put back the top panel. All this hole go back in here. We're using hand, we don't need hammer. We're using hand to tap it and make sure they go in, and we're done with replace the license plate box. And we put back the handle. And we slide this one back, and we're done completely.